Hello, I am demonstrating the Grizzly Morse code application. It has a custom icon right over here. When I launch it, you'll see the app and you could see that there is a text to transmit prompt, and in the text view you could type your text SOS, and then I'm going to hit transmit. And you can see that the dots and dashes were rendered to lights and audio, and the lights and audio are synchronized. This app also handles special characters. It also handles stacked messages. So if I click this 2 times, you can see that the message was shown after the first message, and it's very accurate, and that's it. There's also the about page about myself and my image about the app too. That's it.